the mourners at their funerals. Angazi ukuthi namhlanje ubuzothini mdala wami. Njalo bangaka bekade bezawamela amazwi akho eyeball to eyeball. Ulele moyo side. Basilile abaningi. Anyway, silapha thina namhlanje. Sonke amajuba inkwilimba amavevane konke labomalulwane namagudwana alumephosisa, all they are here to bid a farewell to you, moyo side. Asithuli akunyararwa lapha kunyararwani ake lisichasisele mina bengizolichasisela kodwa ke mbiyelwe mina mbonwa mkhangelwe mina mkhulumi ingakhuluma ngidli ingavumulwa ngamanqe vela ngivunyelwa bona sebekhulumile izimumu zabo sezikhulumile izacuthe zabo bezilalele onkonyale babo bawahambela ozafesane babo babalayela akunyararwa lutho lapha mina lawe be prepared, don't live a lie, philiqiniso, be prepared. Life is not fecha at all. I have always taken it lightly. I have always handled my thoughts lightly. But I have realized lately that indeed we all shall die surely and die njengodwayi. Kumbe sife njengamakhawe. Udwayi ufane insiba zakhe. Ikhawe lifele ebukhaweni balo linalungiselelane. Beata died singing. Oliver died singing. Sidney Malunga died defending the truth. Inosikala died mentoring the truth. Hitler Checherai Hood died repossessing farms. Morgan Changirai died in the opposition. So was then Mo Judah and Dubabu say Somoyo. Of course, Robert died discharged from power with the desire Kabila dying in power. So fella na pespila konam. Lina Lungiselelani. Lately I've realized what you have taken lightly matters mostly and heavily. What we make and what we are best well known for won't change once we die. Absalom Skosana died interpreting. Genius Kinimbi died partying. Benjamin Kondera died as a star. So was Diego Maradona and Titus Majola alike. They all died football legends like Adamski and Richard Choroma. So fella la tespila kona. Lugiselelani. Lately I've realized what you have taken lightly matters mostly and heavily. Imisebenzi izakusilandela ngangale wethuna ngayo siyakuvaleliswa. Queen Mother nanti Pepe died queen. Queen Izofukazi noma nangandiweni moyo died queen. So was Queen Elizabeth the first and the second. Death does not anyway take away our identity. What we make and what we are best known for won't change once we die. There are some tauters like the great Zeya and Dumdalukana Gomnyoro, they died tauters. While in the months, the alcoholics, they died drunk and drinking likewise. Good drivers, they died fatally on collision with the breeds and witches and elephants. While rough riders, they died fatally on collision with the good drivers. So fella la pespila kona. Yes, till now we shall go as poets. Politicians, reporters, drivers, doctors, artists, gays and lesbians, Christians and Indians, the liars, looters and the lady, gamblers and quenchers, police and the thieves. So far nothing will change once we die. Be prepared. Don't live a lie. Philiqiniso. Sibonisiwe sithole tight dancer. Nambithi tight dancer too. Can't feel it your tight hip hop mafia. So fele tamweni lemisebenzi yethu. What we make and what we are best well known for won't change once we die. Ngakho ke mina nawe lungiselelani. No one will repent at the cross at the 11th hour. If you want to change your ways now. Upon death, no sorry shall work. Fare thee well, son of the soil. Hamba kahle moyo side. Size sibonane njalo kwelizayo. Hamba kahle Chababa. Hamba kahle Chakaza. Son of Solomoyo. Son of Takeli Mangena. Size sibonane njalo kwelizayo.